In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a second user profile on Microsoft Windows 10 or Windows 11. Creating an extra user account is really useful if you share your computer with family members, roommates, or coworkers. Or if you simply want to separate your work and personal setup. Each user gets their own desktop, their own files, and their own app settings, all nicely organized and kept private from other accounts. Let's start on your Windows desktop. First, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen, or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. From here, we want to go into the main settings area. Click on the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. If you don't see it right away, you can start typing Settings and then select the Settings app when it appears. Inside Settings, look for the section that controls your accounts. On both Windows 10 and Windows 11, this is called Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Windows manages who can sign into your computer and how their info is stored. In the Accounts window, we're interested in adding someone new. Depending on your version, you'll see an option like Family and Other Users, or Other Users in the left sidebar or the main panel. Click that option to open the area where additional accounts are managed. Now you'll see a section that lets you add another user. Look for a button that says something like Add Account or Add someone else to this PC and click it. Windows will now ask how you want to set up this person. You can sign them in with a Microsoft account if they have an email they want to use, which will sync things like OneDrive and Microsoft Store apps. If you prefer a simpler local account that only exists on this computer, look for the option that says you don't have this person's sign-in information, and then choose to add a user without a Microsoft account. Next, type in the new username you want to give them. Choose something recognizable so you know whose account it is. Then create a strong password and add password hints so they can remember it. Take a moment here to make sure the password is secure but still memorable. Once you confirm, Windows will create the new user profile. To use it, sign out of your current account or switch users. Then select the new account on the sign-in screen and log in. The first time you sign in, Windows will take a minute to set everything up. After that, each user will have their own clean, separate environment on the same PC.